Hello. On the left here, you can see a transcript of my video. On the right, you can see my activity with the revisions in bold. And the Padlet ideas I drew inspiration from are also on the bottom here. So my original idea was to have healthcare workers in a hospital setting combine research about hospital-acquired infections, including prediction, etiology, which is causes or origins, and diagnosis, to determine gaps in current protocol and what is recommended by the results of the research. Originally, I tasked the learners with identifying 2 additional checkpoints for their own department and 2 additional checkpoints for the other departments. I specified a number of checkpoints to recommend and that they should combine those suggestions and present to an administrator, but outside of using the repository, I really didn't ask them to use technology in a manner consistent with SAMR, nor did I really even specify the method in which they should present their findings. Luckily, this left my activity pretty open-ended for revision. So you can see here, I decided to take inspiration from the suggestions of a mind map. I chose MindMeister and virtual reality in healthcare setting. In MindMeister, the learners could see each other's ideas in real time, and they could then be trained on the additional checkpoints added to the protocol by entering a VR simulation. Finally, I also made a small revision using what I learned about metacognition from my reflection. During the discovery phase, I would ensure that the learners are thinking metacognitively and spacing their learning.